A lot of guys say this aluminum is not gonna protect, it's not gonna protect. Yeah, I hit the curb. You see that rim? It's not damaged. This aluminum piece is damaged. I'm the guy who very carefully drives. You see this? That's the protection is damaged. I hit the curb, but the rim doesn't damage. So this thing is even the cheap, but it's actually working very, very good. It's protecting the wheels. Definitely needs it for the Tesla. Alright guys, I was looking in the forums, some new updates for my Tesla, and I came across a lot of people get rim damage on the Tesla. And as a matter of fact, it's not the how, it's the when you're gonna damage. Before I damage my rims, I went to the website, search up, there's a good products, there's a good selection website. I put the links on the description so you can order yours, and I'm gonna show you on this video how to install those rim protections, and it's better. Early you install, it's gonna be, you're gonna hopefully save your rims, right? The reason why we're gonna scratch the rims, because the rims, it's gonna be extend out from the tires. Even if we have a 275, I have a performance tires, but the rims is always sticking out from the tires. So as soon as you by accident hit the curb, so your rim is going to be scratched very, very bad. As you can see, tons of people is complaining that. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to install, and the links on description. All right, this is what we need. Protection already, I received it. All right, we have this kind of napkins and the rubber gloves. Let's do it. All right, as you can see, my rims still clean. I never touch any curbs, all right, 4 wheels, but I have to clean all these tire shines from the rim, and I'm gonna apply that rim protection. Let's do it together. So as you can see, tire shine is 21-inch rim. It comes with the double stick, so we're gonna clean that, stick it, and nicely apply to the surrounding of the wheels. So hopefully it's gonna be saving my rims from the curb side. Supposed to remove this protection in the last, but it's on the way. See this 2 part? I peel it out, so I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna start peeling to the side. As you can see, sits right away. And that's it. It's applied. That easy. But as you can see, corners, I'm gonna push a lot to go through it. And it's the hot day. The hot day, I'm gonna push it one more time. So it's gonna be adhesive. It's gonna apply it very, very nice and good. Let's move on the second side. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna peel up this side, lift it up to the top, right? We're gonna bring the rim perfect to the side, stick top. And that's it. Same scenario. Peel to the side and push it. Yeah, it comes with the detailed instruction manual. I didn't even look. And a bunch of adhesive activators. I'm using rubbing alcohol. You can do the alcohol too. But 2 fronts, I'm gonna use these, and we're gonna see how's the difference. If you don't have alcohol, they provide alcohol patch, so you can use these. After I clean with the alcohol, I'm gonna apply this guy here. I have to remove top protection because this protection is on the way. I wish I could remove it in the last, but I have to remove right now because it's on the way. So later, if I install this, I'm not gonna be able to remove this. All right, same scenario. Top one, lift it up, seal it to the edge. Nice and snug. Imagine later on to clean this adhesive. After I remove these pieces, it's gonna be nightmares to clean this adhesive. Alright, now we're gonna clean this microfiber they give it to us. Push it at the same time. Alright. Well, last week I installed a protector, and at the night I hit the pothole. As you can see, this one's damaged, but inside the rim didn't damage. So I guess it's paid off itself. And guess what? My rear wheel also screwed up. And yeah, the protector is gone. So it's worked out just in 1 week. All 4 wheels, it was a construction zone, and the people never put anything. It was just cut it off the asphalt, and that's it. I hit the pothole.